In this video, I'll show you how to quickly sort your data alphabetically in Google Sheets so your spreadsheets look clean and organized. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, open Google Sheets at sheets.co and log into your Google account. Open an existing spreadsheet or create a new one. Next, highlight the column or range of cells you want to sort. If you want to keep rows aligned correctly, make sure to select all related columns. Now go to the top menu, click on Data and choose Create a Filter. You will see little filter icons appear in the header row. Click on the filter icon for the column you want to sort. From here, select Sort A to Z for ascending order or Sort Z to A for descending order. That's it. Your data is now neatly arranged and Google Sheets automatically saves everything as you go. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more tips.